What's up, it's Dak Prescott, and a couple of months ago I gave my brand new 2022 Ford F-350 Super Duty to Starwood Motors and RealTruck to come up with something customized and special to fit my fleet of cars. So you know it's gonna be white with black rims, decked out with all kind of cool things. So let's get to it and let's see my real truck. What's up, Jordan?
What's up, man?
How we doing, man?
Good.
You got this beautiful thing here for me, huh?
Yeah, absolutely, man. Started with our signature finish. Did white diamond pearl coat on the entire thing, scratch resistant.
Sorry, I just got to feel this finally. Oh, that's dope.
Blacked out all the chrome accents.
I love it. Honestly, I do. It just makes all the black just pop more.
Then we went into the suspension. 4-inch Superlift, straight 4, designed for the trimmer.
4.
Yep.
Good numbers.
4-inch lift.
Yeah, I like
absolutely.
that. I like that.
Able to run a 37-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler with a 22-inch fuel wheel. Bushwacker flares. You got to have these in this kind of weather. Cuts down on all the road debris, rain, all that kind of stuff on the side of the truck. Up in the front, what we did is a road armor bumper, houses a worn winch.
The winch, love that. So I can't get stuck anywhere, and I can't
Nowhere.
get any of my toys stuck with this, right?
Yeah, and if you need them, we got Rugged Ridge D-rings right here to help pull you out. All the rigid lighting you need. Keep the black theme going. We went with a smoked LED Morimoto headlight and then an illuminated black Ford emblem.
Oh, I love that.
So on the side, we went with a Morimoto auxiliary light for some extra external lighting. Added the AMP Power Step XLs. Sleek looking, open the door, folds out when you need it. We also added Husky all-weather mats and a ceramic tint, cut down some of this heat.
Gotta have that here.
Towards the back, what we did, we went with the matching road armor rear bumper, also added some rigid backup lights, D-rings, and the bulletproof hitch to tow your boat. We added Retrax PowertraxPRO MX. Hold the remote, open up the entire bed.
No, that's sick.
Over here, swing case made by UnderCover. Put whatever tools you need, just push it out of the way.
Now what is this bad thing?
It's your ice chest fridge. Plug it in, fill it up, whatever you want, take it out to the boat, unplug it, stays cold, stays like a fridge.
Yeah, I can get inside now, huh?
Absolutely. I'll show you some lights.
Perfect. Yeah, please.
Basically, you turn all those on, this entire thing's
lit up.
Yeah.
Now I got to get out and see it lit up. Oh, I love that. The rock lights. Yeah. Oh, that's dope. Did y'all have fun making this one or what?
We did, man.
Yeah?
It's cool to make, you know, a unique truck already into a super unique truck, you know, something that you want.
So there won't be anything like it on the road?
Not at all.
That's all I care about. It's unique. Yeah, hell of a job, brother. Appreciate you guys, for real. So after a couple of months of the anticipated wait after giving my truck to Starwood Motors and RealTruck, they definitely made me a real truck, something very unique, something that is gonna fit in perfect with my fleet. I couldn't be any happier. This is gonna be my everyday truck that I use for the 2022 season. So for more information or to get a truck like this, go to RealTruck.com.